Everyone says Rust is worth learning and everyone bounces off the borrow checker in week 1. Claude Code is the patient tutor that got me past it. Here is how to learn Rust without rage quitting. Rust's difficulty is front-loaded, ownership and borrowing feel alien until they suddenly click. The fastest way through is a tutor who explains the compiler's reasoning, and Claude is exactly that. Ask Claude to explain ownership using an analogy that fits how you think. Ownership is just the rule that every value has one owner and is cleaned up when the owner goes away. Once that lands, half of Rust's rules follow naturally. Rust's compiler errors are famously detailed and famously intimidating. Paste one into Claude and ask what it is really telling you and the smallest change to satisfy it. Rust's errors are actually teaching you. Claude translates the lesson. Most beginner pain is borrowing, passing references around. Ask Claude when to borrow immutably, when mutably, and why you cannot have both at once. The rule exists to prevent data races, and understanding the why makes the borrow checker an ally instead of an enemy. Beginners waste hours fighting the borrow checker when a clone would be fine. Ask Claude whether cloning is acceptable here. For small data or non-hot paths, it usually is. Knowing when to stop fighting is a real skill. The goal is not memorizing rules but building intuition. Ask Claude to review your code and explain why the compiler is happy or unhappy, until you can predict it. That prediction is the moment Rust clicks. Rust is learnable when you have a tutor who explains the compiler's reasoning. Claude Code turns the borrow checker from an enemy into a teacher. Subscribe for more Claude Code deep dives.